The secret of elephant ginger skin, a natural laboratory at our fingertips. Have we ever really stopped and noticed something we often take for granted? Something we usually just peel and throw away, like ginger skin. But what if the world we've abandoned is actually a universe full of secrets? What would we find if we opened our eyes and looked closer, much closer? Look, at first glance the skin of the elephant ginger looks clean when seen with the naked eye, but when seen through a microscope, it looks very dirty. It's dirty because there's still remnants of garden soil stuck to the ginger skin. This isn't a picture of an alien planet, man. This is the ginger skin of an elephant magnified hundreds of times. And every line, every strange color here tells a story. A story of self-defense, of complex chemistry, and of the benefits we've been wasting. Today, we'll go inside the secret laboratory and reveal everything from A to Z. First, we need to get to know the owner of this mysterious skin. Why is it called elephant ginger? The answer is simple but powerful because it's the giant of its family. Imagine, compared to the small, tough ginger or the vibrant red ginger, this elephant ginger can be 2 to 3 times larger and fatter, hence the name elephant. Originating from the fertile lands of Asia, it's a favorite in Indonesia. But elephant ginger's uniqueness extends beyond its size. Its true uniqueness lies beneath the surface. While we're discussing this, notice the pink spots around the ginger skin. And now it's time to dive into the surface. Check out this strange pattern. To the naked eye, the ginger skin feels rough, but unremarkable. But under a microscope, it changes completely. The first big question, why does the surface look like snake scales or a messy checkered wall? This isn't a design flaw. This is a survival masterpiece. Each box you see is actually a cork cell. Think of them as living bricks that make up the outermost protective wall. Their tough job is to protect the water and nutrient-rich ginger flesh. Protects against external influences, from water loss to fungus and bacteria. But why isn't it symmetrical and neat? Well, that's the beauty of it. Ginger rhizomes grow irregularly in the soil, pushing and being pushed by pebbles and other roots. These protective cells must constantly adapt, growing here and there, dividing where needed. The result? A unique, strong, and perfect organic defense wall in its imperfection. Every pattern on each piece of ginger is a natural fingerprint that will never be exactly the same. But this wall isn't just gray and boring. Look closely. There's a painting here. Those scattered pink or reddish spots we saw earlier. What are these? They're a sign of sun damage. These pigments are called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are the same pigments that give color to roses, grapes, or dragon fruit. When this rhizome part peaks slightly above the surface of the soil and is exposed to sunlight, ginger produces anthocyanins as a natural sunscreen and antioxidant. The pink color is proof that this ginger has been exposed to the sun and fought free radicals. Now, this one is even more mysterious. Hidden golden yellow spots. This is the real treasure trove, the essential oils and oleoresins. These yellow spots are ginger's aroma and potency factories. This is where super compounds like gingerol are found. Gingerol, which imparts a spicy and warm flavor, is retained. Red ginger has more of this compound, making it spicier. Elephant ginger has less, making it milder. Each yellow speck is a tiny pocket of chemical magic. Oh, and that shiny sheen on the inside of the skin where it adheres to the ginger flesh, that's the oils and oleoresins seeping out, coating the surface like a natural varnish. It's a sign that the benefits are right there, right next to us. Now that we know how complex and alive the skin is, the big question arises, what happens if we eat it? We're throwing away an active biochemical laboratory. skin of elephant ginger apparently still retains many of its inheritance from its flesh. It contains coarse fiber, which is good for digestion, and traces of minerals like potassium and magnesium. And most importantly, there are still bioactive compounds such as gingerol and antioxidants from the pigment, although the amount is smaller. The benefits: consuming the skin after washing it thoroughly, of course, can provide us with additional antioxidants to fight daily free radicals and extra fiber to support gut health. But wait, as with everything in nature, there are always two sides to the coin. Consuming ginger peel, especially in large quantities, also has side effects we need to be aware of. Ginger skin is very fibrous and rough. For some people, this can be too much of a burden on the digestive system, causing bloating or indigestion. Elephant ginger teaches us one thing: nothing in nature is just skin deep. Behind every layer, behind every imperfection, lies a fascinating design, function, and story. Thank you for exploring nature's laboratory today. If you were surprised by the secrets of ginger skin, please share this video with a friend who loves to cook or enjoy science. And don't forget to subscribe as we reveal the secrets of other, ordinary objects around us. See you on the next science adventure.